When replacing a fuse box with a circuit breaker panel, you are generally not legally required to upgrade the entire house. However, an inspector may identify potential hazards. If the inspector finds unsafe conditions, such as ungrounded outlets or exposed wires, they may require these to be fixed before the new panel is approved. The inspector may recommend that the customer consider upgrading the wiring and grounding to meet current electrical codes, but they cannot force it. The customer has the option to decline. If you touch the subpanel and the inspector discovers ungrounded outlets or other electrical deficiencies, you could potentially be held liable. You may be legally responsible for any accidents or fires caused by the unsafe electrical conditions. Your insurance company may refuse to cover damages if they determine that the electrical system was not up to code. To mitigate the potential risks, you should firstly inform the homeowner. Explain the inspector's concerns and potential risks to the homeowner. Emphasize that they are not legally required to upgrade the wiring, but it is highly recommended for safety and insurance purposes. Secondly, document your findings. Before touching the subpanel, create a detailed inspection report that documents any electrical deficiencies you observe. Thirdly, get written consent. Obtain written consent from the homeowner stating that they have been informed of the risks and that they choose not to upgrade the wiring. Fourthly, limit your work. Only work on the specific task of replacing the fuse box with circuit breaker panel. Do not touch any other electrical components unless required for safety reasons. While you are not legally required to upgrade the entire house when replacing a fuse box, it is important to be aware of potential risks and to take appropriate precautions to protect yourself and the homeowner. By properly informing the homeowner and documenting your findings, you can minimize your liability and ensure the safety of the electrical system.